Well, today's episode of Follow Me and You'll See a World of Fucked Up Shit. Yeah, that OSHA violations. So physics is definitely your friend. Got the boat, got the gallows hooked up. Let me get up here just a second. But yeah, so physics is how you get shit done when even at, I don't know, 6'2" and 240 pounds, you still need help. And what we're doing here, we actually had to pull a motor in order to replace a coupler. That's right, a coupler. I wonder how many boats people went, Memorial Day weekend without their boat because they weren't their own warranty. They're paying somebody else. So battery, winch, fulcrum down to the side. My nice K&N is off. Let's conveniently pull this guy out real quick. And let's see what all big strong guy had to do in order to get, it's just a Yamaha motor. It's not like it's a damn, Chevrolet 427 or something. So first and foremost, this guy had to be pulled kind of out like that because the motor wants to go over this way. I mean, it's got motor mounts in its feet. But the real trick, hopefully you can see Mr. Blackjack down here, a little bottle jack, because it took more than the hand of Thor in order to get that coupler right there, that guy right there, for them to go together. It took, a lot of pressure. So this guy is relieving most of the weight and pulling it in that direction. This guy down here is pushing that way. And then, of course, hand of Thor has to move that bitch around. And yeah, so, there's 8 little bolts. We're down to 2. Uno. Dos. That's it. Got 1 motor mount to install now, and the job is done. And I don't know. I think I've been out here 4 pounds of sweat. That's how long I've been out here.